Hello everybody, and welcome to yet another math contest put out by the Center for Education in Mathematics and Computing, also known as the Csmc. We're going to start taking a look at the 2015 Senior Mathematics Contest, the Canadian Senior Paper. So this is aimed at grades 11 and 12, although younger grades can certainly attempt the contest. There's both a short answer question and a written portion, as you would know if you've seen any of the other senior papers or intermediate papers that I've done. And we'll be doing one video at a time, like always. If you want a copy of this contest to try for yourself, feel free to click the link in the description below. And of course, that'll take you to the CEMC website, and there you can also get solutions that they've written up as well. They don't present them by video, although maybe they will someday. But you can certainly read their solutions, and you can also watch my videos as I'm going to go through solutions and compare them to your own. I sincerely hope that you do try the contest yourself, because you can certainly learn more by doing rather than just always watching or reading solutions. Okay, so let's jump into it. The 2015 paper, we're just going to do one question at a time, so we'll be doing question 1 in part A in this video. Always important to read the stuff at the start of the contest, just so you know little things like calculators are allowed. Sometimes calculators aren't allowed on math contests. It's important to know, because you don't want to pull one out and then get disqualified, or not bring one when you could have one and a really tricky calculation pops up. But it's pretty standard affair. If you've seen any of the other contest videos I've done, I read some of these through the intro through a little more in detail in other videos. But it's pretty much the same as with all their contests, just preamble stuff. So let's jump right into question number 1. And question number 1 says, if 8 over 24 is equal to 4 over x plus 3, what is the value of x? Okay, pretty simple question for starting off. We have a known value over here, 8 over 24, which is also 1/3. And over here we have 4 over x plus 3. So I'm sure a lot of people out there did this by inspection. You get 24 from 8 by multiplying by 3, so x plus 3 should be 3 times 4, which is 12, so x should be 9. But let's actually write it out, and that way if we write out things in part A and we're wrong, we can still get part marks for the work that we had shown. So 8 over 24 is, no, it's not x, it's 4 on top, and then it's x plus 3 on the bottom. Okay. And then multiply through. A good way to do this is to multiply through on both sides, or cross multiply, however you want. The x plus 3 will pop up on the top over here, and you'll have 4 times 24, which is also 96. You could have worked that out on the calculator, because again, we read the intro, so we know calculators are allowed. We also know how much time we have, and that can help us budget our time and things like that. So as I say, very important to read the preamble. I encourage you to, if you downloaded it and tried it, or haven't yet, I'd encourage you to do so, and make sure you read and understand the preamble. Anyway, 8 times x plus 3 is 96. So if we want x plus 3 by itself, we divide both sides by 8. 96 divided by 8. That's another one we could get our calculators out for. Although hopefully, these are kind of small numbers, 96 and 8. These are numbers with nice factors that hopefully we're familiar with. So we get 96 over 8 is 12. So x plus 3 is 12. If I just want x by himself, I subtract 3 on this side. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 12 minus 3 is 9. So x equals 9, and that would be the answer. If you have never tried one of these contests before, you have an examination booklet that you need to fill your solutions in. There's a nice little box. When they're marking, they just check what's in the box, so we would write 9 in the box, or x equals 9. And then there's space left for your work on the side, and that's where you would show, well, something similar to what we've got here. So that's question 1. Very, very basic, very simple introductory question. a great way to start off the contest. They always try and make it so just about everyone gets the first question. And that's question 1 in part A, and we'll take a look at question number 2 in part A in the next video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.